Welcome to Ride Reviews Pro, your trusted source for everything powerful, innovative, and performance-driven in the automotive world. Today, we take a detailed look at a true legend reborn, the new Volvo FH 540. This truck is not just a transport machine, it's a symbol of Volvo's engineering excellence and technological advancement. Built for long-haul efficiency, superior comfort, and unmatched reliability, the FH 540 continues Volvo's reputation for designing vehicles that dominate highways across the world. From its upgraded engine to its futuristic driver cabin and safety intelligence, every feature of the new FH 540 reflects the future of professional trucking. Engine and powertrain, unstoppable force on every terrain. At the core of the new Volvo FH 540 is a 13-liter, 6-cylinder D13K 540 Euro 6 engine producing 540 horsepower and 2,600 Nm of torque. This engine has been refined for incredible pulling power and optimized fuel efficiency. The powertrain is matched with Volvo's state-of-the-art iShift automated gearbox, which ensures smooth, precise gear transitions, adapting automatically to terrain and load. The FH 540 isn't just about brute strength. It's designed for intelligent performance. The advanced turbo compound technology improves efficiency and maintains consistent torque, even at low RPMs. Whether tackling steep gradients or cruising at highway speeds, the FH 540 delivers steady power with minimal strain. This combination of raw performance and smart engineering makes the FH 540 a benchmark in heavy-duty trucking. It's a truck that doesn't just move loads, it moves industries. Fuel efficiency and green innovation, smarter miles, cleaner journey. Volvo's commitment to sustainability shines through in the FH 540's design. Equipped with iSafe technology, the truck reduces fuel consumption by up to 10%, combining intelligent software with aerodynamic improvements and low-friction components. The turbo compound engine recovers energy from exhaust gases, converting it into additional propulsion power. As a result, less fuel is burned, emissions are reduced, and efficiency is maximized. The truck is also compatible with HVO biodiesel, allowing fleets to operate with reduced CO2 emissions without sacrificing performance. Volvo's engineers have proven once again that efficiency doesn't have to compromise power, it can enhance it. The FH 540 shows how modern trucking can be both economical and environmentally responsible. Cabin and comfort, the ultimate driver's environment. Step inside the FH 540, and it's clear that Volvo has made the driver's comfort a top priority. The cabin has been completely redesigned to function as a second home on wheels, ergonomic, quiet, and spacious. The driver's seat offers advanced air suspension, lumbar support, and multiple adjustments for perfect positioning. The dashboard is sleek and digital, with an intuitive 12-inch instrument display that provides real-time driving data, navigation, and alerts. A 9-inch secondary touchscreen manages infotainment, phone connectivity, and truck functions with ease. Sleeping comfort has also been upgraded, with wider bunks, enhanced insulation, and optimized air conditioning for long-haul relaxation. Storage compartments are plentiful and intelligently designed, ensuring that everything a driver needs is within reach. The Volvo FH 540 isn't just about driving, it's about living the journey in total comfort. Safety features, confidence in every kilometer. Volvo has always been synonymous with safety, and the FH 540 continues that legacy with advanced protective technologies. It's equipped with Volvo Dynamic Steering, VDS, providing unmatched precision and reducing driver fatigue by compensating for crosswinds, road ruts, and steering irregularities. The truck also integrates collision warning with emergency brake, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, and driver alert support, all working together to minimize human error and ensure safe operation. The Electronic Stability Control (ESC) system helps prevent rollovers and skidding on slippery surfaces. Additionally, Volvo's reinforced front underrun protection system (FUPS) safeguards both the driver and other vehicles during frontal collisions. The brand's decades of research and accident prevention make the FH 540 one of the safest trucks on the planet. In every situation. From urban deliveries to long-haul highways, the FH 540 provides unmatched peace of mind. Technology and connectivity, the smart truck era. The new FH 540 is more connected than ever before. Through Volvo Connect, drivers and fleet managers have access to real-time data, route optimization, and predictive maintenance alerts. This smart connectivity platform ensures maximum uptime and lower operating costs. The truck's onboard telematics system monitors fuel usage, driving patterns, and engine performance, helping operators optimize efficiency and plan maintenance before issues arise. Over-the-air software updates keep systems running at peak performance without requiring workshop visits. Volvo's technology turns logistics management into a science, intelligent, predictive, and effortlessly efficient. The FH540 is not just a truck, it's a rolling command center for modern transport fleets. Exterior design: bold, aerodynamic, and commanding. The FH540's exterior showcases Volvo's signature design language: bold lines, aerodynamic curves, and functional elegance. Its V-shaped LED headlamps with adaptive lighting enhance visibility while reducing power consumption. The revised front grille, smoother panels, and integrated airflow deflectors reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Every element of the design serves a purpose, not just aesthetics, but optimized performance and visibility. From every angle, the FH540 projects authority. It's more than a truck, it's a moving symbol of strength and sophistication. Durability and maintenance, engineered for endurance. Volvo builds its trucks for real-world challenges, and the FH540 is a true endurance machine. The reinforced chassis, optimized suspension system, and robust driveline are designed for maximum durability under heavy loads. Service intervals have been extended, and the low-friction engine components reduce wear over time. With Volvo's global network of service centers and digital maintenance support, downtime is kept to a minimum. This means owners can rely on the FH540 to perform day after day, year after year, without compromise. It's the definition of long-lasting reliability and operational efficiency. Conclusion: the future of heavy-duty trucking. The new Volvo FH540 is more than just a truck, it's a masterpiece of power, intelligence, and design. From its commanding engine to its luxurious cabin and world-class safety systems, every inch of this truck is crafted for excellence. Volvo's dedication to driver comfort, fuel efficiency, and sustainability makes the FH540 a leader in modern transport technology. It's built for businesses that value reliability, for drivers who demand comfort, and for a planet that needs cleaner solutions. This is the future of heavy-duty transportation, the Volvo FH540, setting new standards in every category. Stay tuned with Ride Reviews Pro Club for more in-depth reviews, truck insights, and updates on the machines that move the world forward.